Hi, this is Manthan from Scrapingdog.com, and in this short tutorial, I will show you how you can use the Amazon review scraping API. To start with, you have to first sign up over here, and once you sign up, you will be redirected to your dashboard, which will look like this. And we have a Amazon review scraper over here. You just have to click, and you will arrive over here. So let's say I want to scrape uh, you know reviews of this particular product. So I will just paste it over here and I will just click on try it button. So once you click on it, you will get a beautiful JSON response from the API, and the JSON response will contain, you know, details like username, ratings, and the review he or she has posted, the date, is it verified or not, and details like this. So you can use this API in your, sentiment analysis projects or something like that. And if you have to filter it out on the basis of the number of stars, then you can use, direct parameters to filter them out, like filter by star, or you can directly paste the URL as well to the API. So if you have any questions regarding this API, just reach out to us at info@scrapingdog.com. Thank you very much.